Hey everyone, so I'm back with another video. In this video, I thought I'd just keep it simple now that I'm 100% natural. I basically just did some flat twists in the front and left my little afro in the back. Sometimes I don't want to always have to feel like I need to define my hair with like a twist out or a braid out. Sometimes I just really like wearing my fro as it is. So I just decided to do this as a quick style. Basically all I needed for this style was some shining jam and some rubber bands. So it's really quick, it's really easy, it did not take long, and all I did with the back was picked it out. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest from here, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. And as always, thanks for watching.